the emissions pledge?
Yes, this pledge that India made in Paris was that from the standards of 2005, India will reduce the emission intensity by 33 to 35% by 2030. Now, I'm not very sure whether India will make it, but India has made significant progress in the area of energy, for instance, because one of the major polluters in India has been these coal-fired plants, and they are now being gradually replaced by solar energy because the cost of generating solar energy has come down, which has been a boon for India. And so, therefore, India is rapidly catching up, but there are still wild violations taking place as a result of a lack of consciousness, and that's where I think India needs to get it back together.
Agnes, what about Madrid? If the US, as we all know, is backing out of the Paris Agreement, who is stepping up to take leadership? It doesn't sound like India has quite got there yet, and of course, some of the other big nations, the big emitters like China and Russia, also